Good morning mga kababayan, mga ka-YouTubers. Now I will teach you how to revive the lead acid battery. First, measure the voltage. Positive is red, negative is black. Now, the reading is 32.5 millivolts lang. So, ibig sabihin talagang dried na to. The battery. Very dry. The lead acid battery. Okay. First step, remove the cover. Ayan. Tanggalin nyo lang itong cover. Using Ayan. Tanggalin nyo yung cover and then yung cap. Rubber cap. Ayan siya. Rubber cap. Ayan. Okay. After removing the cap, put distilled water. Ayan. Dry siya. Dry. Kaya millivolt lang ang niya, voltage niya. So now I will put distilled water and lagyan nyo lang lahat. Fill the 6 holes. Ayan. Talagang na to. Hindi pa mapuno-puno. Ayan. Okay. This one. Okay. Now, get the tissue and wipe the excess distilled water. Kahit yung tubig ulan pwede. Distilled water din yun. Even the rain is also a kind of distilled water. Yan. If you have no distilled water yet, just pour the rain water. Yan. Okay, now I will charge it. Ito kasing isa na charge ko na to, nagawa ko na to. Nagawa ko na yan. This one is finished. Was finished filling up and charging. Now this one, return the cover, the rubber cover, and 6 lang naman yan eh. 6 rubber cup. Okay. Now I will charge it about 20 hours. 18, 20 hours. Let's see. The charge is 12 volts. Okay, 11.93. Yung charger natin 11.93. We will charge it. Negative is black. And then positive is red. Okay. Finish. How to revive. Now this one I made this yesterday, so I will check now the actual voltage after charging for about 20 hours. Gives us 11.81. Okay. Now you can return the cup and use tape to fix. Okay. Use tape to fix, and you can use now the new revive battery. Thank you for watching. Isa, hintayin ko pa yan. Mga 20 hours pa yan. Depende naman kung gagamitin nyo at nagkaroon na ng 12 volts. Sige, okay na. Thank you for watching. Review the 3-step. Remove the cover. No. Measure the voltage before. And then remove the cover. Then put distilled water. And then return the rubber cup. And then charge for about 20 hours. Thank you very much for watching. I hope na nakatulong ito para yung battery hindi natin itapon. We can reuse battery. Lead acid battery ito. Thank you.